Hey guys, I'm gonna take you around the build that I just completed, probably like about half hour ago. Finally, we transferred everything over from a trailer. That's what we were using at first when we first started in the business, and now we've graduated to a truck. So this is gonna save us hopefully a ton of time. I'll be able to drive on the highway with this thing instead of sneaking around back roads. We do some jobs out in Boston, and we don't live anywhere near Boston, so we got to take a back road to get there, and it's not fun when you're pulling a trailer. I'll just start with the pressure wash hose and the regular feed hose. We went with 18-inch general pump hose reels. This one has the motor, obviously. You can get the one without the motor, the hand crank one, and you can add the motor later. Okay. I started off both hand crank ones. Figure you got to have a couple humble beginnings when you first start, so that's one of the ways I chose to do it, and I am glad that we switched to the motor. Definitely a game changer for me. Flowpro controls, filter through the feeder water. Have one of these. That'll save you. Don't just hook it direct. You'll be upset when you get some junk in that pressure washer. Flowpro, I mounted it right here. Judd West is an awesome guy to deal with. If you get one of these machines, when I was in the middle of ordering one, he called me during dinner with his wife and walked me through the rest of it, whatever I needed. And he's just an awesome person to deal with. And I am so happy with this product. This is one of my favorite products on the truck itself. Saved me a ton of time from running around, going back and forth to the truck and taking the drop stick out of the chemical. It just saves a ton of time, guys. Get one if you can afford it. I mounted it right here so I can see when it goes off. I got this soft wash machine from Pressuretek. Those guys are awesome to deal with. Anytime anything has ever gone wrong, which hasn't gone wrong much, those guys call me back as soon as they can and hook a brother up. So I bought this water boss gun from Doug Rucker. Also awesome guy to deal with. All you guys know who those guys are. Great guys to deal with. This is a 4 gallon a minute pressure washer. Got this off a buddy of mine. He knows who he is. But this machine right here is a beast, and I love it, and I love him. He's a great dude. He always answers any questions I have. Calls me whenever he's in Maine and talks to me for 5 seconds. He knows I got questions, and he's my guy. I'm glad that we live close by each other, and he can answer any questions that I got. So you know who you are, buddy. Thank you. Midwest washing equipment. This one's the V4. Get one of these if you can. You know what? I thought about building one, but why waste my time? Those guys know what they're doing, and when something breaks, who are you gonna ask if you built it yourself, right? So I've only had one thing go wrong with it so far, and those guys answered my questions in 5 minutes, and I was back up and running. 16-gallon soap tank and 50-gallon SH tank. They're just strapped down for right now. Just to get. I just got a job close by tomorrow. I'm just gonna wrap up. I'm so happy with my build. It took me about 2.5 days to get this thing done. Transferred over to the trailer to this, and running back and forth a million times to Tractor Supply store and everywhere else you can think of. But man, I'm happy with my build. I can't wait to use it tomorrow on the job. Just let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Thanks.